Let's Renovate Ottawa. This is Ottawa's premier renovation show. Hello, my name is Greg Luchak. I've been renovating and building homes for over 45 years. Renovate Ottawa is my new show, and I'm looking for you. Whether you're a homeowner, a flipper, a renovator, a company, a sponsor, I want you on my show. Whether you're renovating or creating an outdoor space, a kitchen, flipping a property, renovating an apartment, designing a new kitchen or updating a fireplace, come and join our show. Maybe it's a new front porch you're looking for. No project is too big or too small. Let's Renovate Ottawa. Let's go.